The Toshiba EM131A5C-BS countertop microwave is one of those kitchen appliances that focuses on doing everyday tasks reliably without making things overly complicated. After regular use for reheating meals, defrosting frozen foods, quick snacks, and basic cooking, it becomes clear why this microwave remains one of the most popular options in its category. The first thing most users will appreciate is the size and overall balance of the microwave. With a 1.2 cubic foot capacity, it offers enough interior space for full-size dinner plates, medium casserole dishes, popcorn bags, and meal prep containers without taking up excessive kitchen counter space. The black stainless steel finish also gives it a cleaner and more modern appearance compared to cheaper plastic-looking microwaves. Performance is solid for everyday household use. The 1000W power output heats food quickly and evenly in most situations. Leftovers warm up faster than many lower-powered models, and frozen meals cook consistently without needing constant adjustment. The rotating 12.4-inch turntable helps distribute heat properly, reducing cold spots during reheating. One of the biggest strengths of this microwave is the smart humidity sensor feature. Instead of guessing cooking times, the sensor automatically adjusts power and timing depending on the moisture level of the food. This works especially well for reheating rice, vegetables, soup, and leftovers. It helps prevent food from drying out or overheating, which is surprisingly useful in daily use. The preset cooking menus also make operation easier for casual users. Functions for pizza, potatoes, vegetables, popcorn, and reheating remove some of the guesswork from quick cooking tasks. While experienced users may still prefer manual controls, the presets are convenient for families and busy households. The control panel is straightforward and easy to understand. Buttons respond well, the digital display is clear, and the mute function is a small but genuinely helpful feature for users who dislike loud microwave beeps. Eco mode is another nice addition for reducing standby power usage. Cleaning the microwave is also simple thanks to the smooth interior coating. Food splatters wipe away fairly easily with minimal effort, which helps the appliance maintain a clean appearance over time. Of course, this is still a standard countertop microwave, so it does not include advanced convection cooking or air fryer features found in more expensive hybrid models. Some users may also find the exterior fingerprints noticeable on the black stainless finish. Overall, the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS is an excellent everyday microwave for most households. It combines reliable heating performance, useful smart sensor technology, easy controls, and modern design into a microwave that feels practical, efficient, and user-friendly for daily kitchen use.